Alright, we checked and did a valve job on, or we checked this push rod clearance on the ET8, and let's see if I can get that to run. And there it goes, running backwards again. I might have to figure out a way to reprofile the cam or something. Let's see if we can spin it the right way around again. Alright. Well, let's try that again. Alright, well, we're gonna have to give some more thought to this. I think, but let's see if we can get a few more spins. I am hearing cracking. Maybe I've got a arcing issue. Let me pop my plug out and check the plug. Oh yeah, the plug is completely soaked. So that doesn't help anything. So dry that out a little bit. That bottom, both of those are real loose. Alright, well, let's... might have to do something about those rocker clearances. Alright. Seems like this is flooding out like crazy, and I think I've got the needle closed completely on this, so... Yeah, I've got the needle closed completely on the ET8. Yeah, the needle was closed completely there. So, does that mean I have a carburetor that's just dumping fuel now? Alright. Yeah, the needle's closed all the way and this is flooding out, so I must have either ruined a seal in the carb or have a carb that's just flooding out really badly. Yeah, I am only adjusting the secondary needle on this. That dial, not the main needle. So, the main needle is closed so far as I can tell, and it's just that secondary Well, my suspicions about this carburetor being real wonky are true then. Nope. Alright, well, back at the runs a little backwards. Let's see what we can do now. All right, we're gonna have to do some more figuring out on the ET8. I'm gonna adjust the timing to make sure it's on top dead center. That way it's not gonna run backwards like it has been, because it is at 15 degrees or so ahead of top dead center. And I thought that would be fine because it was running like that before, but clearly not okay. And I don't like how much slop is in these here, so we'll see if we can shim up the pin that those ride on. And I gotta do something about that carb, because that carb is just a mess. But we'll have to give some serious thought to the ET8, because it just doesn't want to run right now. And it's got a lot of things that I don't know how to start sorting out. So we'll just have to start someplace and try a bunch of things.